Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to withdraw your crypto from Binance to Revolut. Now this tutorial is pretty easy and straightforward, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is of course log into your Binance account and then go to the section in the top right and go to Assets. Now once you go to Assets, you will find your estimated balance and your assets, of course, with your crypto. So go to Withdraw here and then go to Withdraw Fiat. Now once you have clicked on Withdraw Fiat, go on Buy and Sell right here. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw here and select your coin. So let's say for example BNB and select max for example, or whatever. Okay, you just have to fill out the minimum amount and then here go to sell BNB. Now you'll just need to add the withdrawal method, which is a bank transfer in this case. So click on bank transfer, SEPA and SEPA instant, and then click on continue. Then you will need to fill out the information and add your Revolut bank account number, and that's it, you will be done. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.